shapeshifters, I'm back again with a brand new video. And if you haven't guessed, today we are doing a makeup palette review, tutorial, showcase, celebration. That's what we're calling it. And I, Jaymes Mansfield, influential influencer, am here to bring you the Alyssa Edwards x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the palette. Ooh, Alyssa Edwards, star of Netflix, Dancing Queen. That's how it looks. Very, very bright, like shocking pink packaging with Alyssa Edwards doing a ding. And the palette is just the same way like that with Alyssa's signature on the back, if you can see that. And the Anastasia brushes, which I may or may not use. Look at all those pretty colors. I'm excited because these are some vibrant ass colors, especially for Anastasia. And forewarning, this was not PR from Alyssa Edwards or Anastasia Beverly Hills. I bought this with my own money. I haven't gotten a sickening supply of Anastasia Beverly Hills products since I was on RuPaul's Drag Race, and that was just the kit they give you when they send you home. So this is not a sponsored post, this is an unbiased review. Let's do something really fun with this. You know, Alyssa Edwards is extra as hell, so I want to do something really, really extra with my makeup look in celebration of Alyssa. The spirit of Alyssa to come over me. I want to be tongue popping and, you know, talking in gibberish by the time this tutorial's over. I'm going to dig in with Dream It first, and I want to carve out my crease with that. It's this shocking blue color. As you can see, subtlety is not in this palette. Okay, yeah, she has pigment, all right. Now, see, I haven't used Anastasia eyeshadows in a long, long time. I never really used the palettes like these because look at these pans, they're so small. So I figured like I'm gonna go through it like immediately. But as much pigment as I'm getting off of this, I am not mad at her. Now we're going to do us a pageant boomerang eye right now. And that was like one swipe. I'm just going with my second one right now, but that whole crease I did with one. We're gonna give us our Alyssa Edwards Black Swan moment. Yes. Okay, let's do the other eye. Every color in this palette is like named some kind of like motivational Alyssa Edwardism, because like when you talk to Alyssa Edwards or listen to her, you see that she kind of like talks in bumper stickers. Like she's always got something positive to say, and she's always got some kind of like jivey word of wisdom to like bestow upon people. That's partly why I think she's so popular, because like she is so contagious. You just can't help but like mimic her energy. I haven't had many interactions with Alyssa. I feel like the only time I ever really interacted with her was at the first DragCon I ever did, the one I had to share the table with Nina Brown. I remember Alyssa Edwards walks by with her whole entourage, like 9 people in her posse deep, going through the DragCon crowds, and like she walks by our little busted ass table and she's like, okay Nina, okay James, and it's just like you just felt so seen. Like it's like for me, like back when that happened, I still was like still in the super awe of like just being there, and the fact that like I was in the presence of other drag queens from the show, it like really messed with my head. Like, whoa, I'm actually here, this is actually happening. And I bumped into her again when we were in the green room, and she again was like 9 deep with her posse, and she was in like this beautiful like banana yellow like gown that had these like streamers hanging down it, and on the ends of these streamers were like marabou feathers, and there was like 9 on each arm. It's like the most, she looked like a gay octopus. It was incredible. And like when she moved, like they spun with her. And I remember I was really intimidated to talk to her, and like I just watched her go by, and she just like starts strolling in like, you know, a Baton Rooster, like, okay, Miss James, I saw you. I remember, you know, Love Shack, baby, Love Shack. She literally said like those 4 words to me and just kept moving along to the other private part of the green room. But like I just stood there like frozen, like, did this just happen? Did I just talk to Alyssa Edwards? All right, let's cut this crease. Using ColourPop and with a brush, I'm going to move that around to cut the crease. Now, one thing I like about Alyssa is like you'll be hard pressed to find anyone that doesn't really like her. I have gone to Texas quite a lot, and I always ask about the girls, and like I know Alyssa is famously from Texas, as she will let you know. And it is a task to try and find anyone that has a bad thing to say about Alyssa Edwards. It can't be done. Like everyone loves her there. I remember even going into a wig shop there, and like the wig shops had pictures of Alyssa Edwards in it signed, you know, with these loving messages to them. Like she is beloved there. All right, let's put some color in the eyes. Let's put some pink in the eye. We're gonna go with Texas Made. Now, before RuPaul's Drag Race, I only heard like a few rumblings of who Alyssa Edwards was. Like, I knew from like mutual friends that had like competed in pageants, like the legend of Alyssa Edwards and like the infamous, you know, Miss America situation. But like, I only had like small understandings of what it was because I didn't really follow pageants. I just had mutual friends that did. I remember seeing her like baby Alyssa in that old documentary Pageant that like profiled, you know, DePaula and Victoria Porkchop Parker, you know, all these great, you know, divas of the drag world as they competed in this like really intense pageant. And if you look in the later scenes of that, you'll see a little baby teeny tiny Alyssa Edwards, you know, competing in it, and like you can tell from like her face and everything in the eye makeup, it's her. Like, blink and you'll miss her. I like to think like only a few years later she would be, you know, on RuPaul's Drag Race and everything would be completely different. Alright, and we're going to use the yellow. That one's called Brick Road. I got the idea to do this makeup look from my friend Carmen. She just recently posted a video where she did this look, so click down below to see that. Check out her channel, she is super talented. You might have seen her Cheshire Cat on Pinterest. And I want to drag this look up, so I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and add some eyeliner to this look to drag it up. And of course, Miss Alyssa is known for her heavy eyeliner. You have to do that when you're doing an Alyssa Edwards look. That's how you know your eyeliner is like on right. And they give us a black in this, which is appropriately called Beast. And darken up our eyeliner. And just tip that head so you don't get any fallout in your damn cheek. Lightly graze that tail to smoke it out and make it a little softer. Because one thing about Alyssa's makeup is that it's usually, you know, doing the most, but it is always soft. Alright, let me just line my under eye. Alright, and one thing I like about Alyssa Edwards is she does not shy away from a heavy eyeliner under the eye. Especially in that Anastasia promo, girl. God damn. So true to form, we are going to do a nice thick line under here. Which actually I kind of like because it covers up the eye bags. Alright, and I'm going to do my little James flare and just add my little wingtip coming out here. I don't like it when it connects the eyeliner. Seems like a little much. So that's my own little personal touch. Because I don't want to look like a raccoon. Alright. On my eye shape, it will definitely go there. Alright, now we're going to go underneath the eye with some black. And smoke that out a bit so it's not so hard. Pop in a little more pink. Alright, and a little bit of pink on the under eye too, just to add a little more color pop. Alright, let's put some lips on. Alright, now Alyssa is known for bold pink lips. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to use my lip liner and we're going to carve out some lips. Ooh, I think this one's expired. Let's go with a different one. That lip liner is canceled. Alright, use the lip liner now. And we're going to use Karina from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, do some blush using another Drag Queen's palette, the Trixie Mattel palette from Sugar Pill. Do some pink on the cheeks. Alright, refresh our highlight so that the blush isn't so overpowering. And finally, last but not least, some glow. Using my Rosé palette from my Shop Hush haul. I'm still getting a lot of like mileage out of this thing. Alrighty, I just gotta throw my eyelashes on. I'm gonna do that off of camera and the entire look, and we will be back with our final result.
Welcome back. This is the final result. And of course, I cannot forget my wig spray. The Jaymes Mansfield Midwest Morning After from Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Smells just like cream soda. Get yours today. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. Link in the description. And remember, this wig, that $15 Amazon wig is still up and kicking, girl. Oh my gosh, love it. I even wore nails for this, for those of you who like to clock my manly hands in the comments. Love you. Now I have to say, the Alyssa Edwards X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette is so Jaymes Mansfield approved. Oh my gosh. This is a fabulous palette. And the colors you get here are actually really fun and vibrant. And like I said, like Alyssa Edwards, they are extra as hell. I am so excited for all the collaborations that are coming out this month. Drag queens are taking over, girl. Just try and stop us. Next, we'll be in the White House. You heard it here first. Now, I'm just gonna put this out there in the universe because I realize if you say something out loud, it suddenly comes true. So, I am predicting that in Ernie, next year's 2020, right?
Yeah.
2020, Jaymes Mansfield will have a collaboration with a major makeup line. Ooh, I'm putting the spell out there right now. It's casted. Guarantee you by the next year, I will have my own collaboration. And if I don't, well, I guess magic isn't real. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, get one of your very own. My cameo is listed down below. And for Pride Month, they're donating a portion to the Trevor Project. We love a charitable queen. And until next time, bye! Click here and watch me style a wig with Natalie Wynn of ContraPoints. Or watch me try out the new Hank and Henry X Rich Luxe lipstick. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll replace your setting powder with Dorito dust. So click it!